Hey guys, what's up? It's Simon Rodriguez, Texas Rail fan here. I just want to make an announcement that on National Train Day there will be no train videos uploaded because of Mother's Day, and I'll be celebrating it with my family and with my mom. So yeah. Feel free to give me a comment or ask me what am I about to give, any gifts to give for my mom on Mother's Day. Yeah. So for those of y'all that don't know what National Train Day means, I'll explain you what that is. It's a holiday by Amtrak in 2008 as a method to spread information to the general public about the advantages ages of railway travel and the history of trains in the United States. So yeah, that's basically what that means. And I'm in. Yeah, and hopefully, just to let you know, hopefully just to, I know it's been a while that I haven't been railfanning in the past because I was busy working and I was hanging out with my friend, like watching movies and having lunch and dinner and other more. So yeah. So I'm hoping like May 23rd. I believe I'm going to South Texas with my uncle because I have work to do. I believe, I'm not quite sure. So I maybe believe I railfan in San Marcos and San Antonio or Divine, Pearsall, and Divine. I'm sorry, Dilly, because I already said Divine. So, it's located in South Texas, where it's all the way to Laredo. From San Antonio. South San Antonio. South. And, yeah. So, just to let you know, on National Train Day, it will be this year. And on May 9th. Sorry. And May 10th it will be we all know it will be Mother's Day. I think I have a social media on Instagram, and you can follow me on Instagram on my railfanning account name. I believe it's Jaime Rodriguez Texas Railfan, but my original account is on my original social media account is JRod1015. In case you wanna follow me, you're welcome to. But yeah. I want to make sure that that's in maybe June I'll be back to Buda for sure. Railfanning there. Just for sure. In the summer. And yeah, that's basically it. And if you guys that's basically it what I'm about to say. So if you guys enjoy this video, please smash the like button, subscribe if you guys subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you so you guys don't miss out any more videos, especially when you're new to my channel. And share. And alright, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. So bye.